Hi guys, so for today's vlog, I'm going to make Iki's project in school. Because Iki don't know how to do this, so I'm gonna help her making this one. I'm gonna cut here like that, and then I put a little bit in here, and then the other one here. Oh,
Pag-uwi sa bahay,
pag-uwi ko guys galing work, ang
Pagod na
gagawin ko
siya.
naman,
kasi pagod na siya guys.
may second shift ako. Ang gagawin ko naman is tutulungan ko naman si Iki sa kanyang mga assignment and projects. At si Kuya Gab, hindi ko alam kung may assignment ka ba, Gab? Gab, lagyan mo ng butas yung bawat tapos lagay mo sa portfolio. Excuses. Mavi, do you have ruler? Can I borrow? Ganda sana to pag may color eh.
Dapat kasi yung piliin mo lang yung walang color para ma-color ko.
Oh, approve. Approve.